Hello everyone. So today I'm going to tell you a very important productivity trick in MS Excel. So many times you will see that you will get across this activity where you'll get several names in one of the columns, and many times you will have to split those names into first name and last name. So how do you do that? And many times people, what happens is they will put the formulas and they'll spend a lot of times, at least 15 or 20 minutes to think over a formula to get this. But I'll tell you a technique where you can get this work done in less than 5 seconds. So let's go for that. So first, row says Getha Kavya. So I have just mentioned her name. I've split that name already, and now I will copy the same trend. I'll select the rest of the cell. I'll select Getha on the first row, and I'll select the rest of the cells right in the column, and I'll say Control E. So as you see, the first name has actually successfully copied. Next thing, I'll do the same thing here. I'll copy Kavya. I've copied Kavya. I'll select the rest of the cell and I'll say Control E. And you can see that now I've got the last name successfully. So I hope this delights you, and this will help you to get your work done faster and in a smart way. So let's meet the next time. Thank you.